Hi, it's me, Buzzy.
Hi, it's me, Wowie. Hi, it's me, Bonnie. And hi, it's me, Ericy. Hi, Buzzy.
Hi, Wowie.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Mm-hmm. What? What?
Who?
Egg salad.
Yeah. Well, anyways, today we have
The
another surprise
lollipop?
for you.
What?
Pop tarts.
Frosted chocolate fudge.
Frosted chocolate fudge.
Yeah,
You
5
get
pouches.
5 pouches.
Yeah.
So there's enough for all of us.
Yeah. And
Yummy.
we can have a pack left over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we stuck a pack in the freezer yesterday, so they've been in the freezer the whole day.
Like
So,
the whole night.
let's go look at them and
Well,
try them.
okay.
Let's go! Oh, Bonnie fell apart! What, Buzzy?
Look, there was a cat back there that you
Oh,
had.
we saw it.
Oh, good.
Well, let's get them out. What?
Look at that other toy over there.
So what?
You
Well,
don't care about
let's-
me.
Yeah, we do. Oh, Bonnie. Well, anyways, let's open the freezer and get them
Okay.
out.
Oh, yeah, no.
What?
What? Oh, there.
Oh, wait.
Oh, man, those are cold.
Yummy. Okay, so let's get some bowls.
How many comes in one pack?
You get, well, just enough to try, Cole.
Oh. Well, oh, we get all the straw.
One for you. One for me. One for you.
Hey, look.
1, 2.
Oh, those are cute.
Okay, everyone, we each get 3. 3.
Yeah.
3 each.
I know, there's one.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's take a bite.
No.
Ah.
Oh, Schweck. No.
Mmm.
No, Schweck. Bonnie, why aren't you eating?
Oh. No.
Oh,
Shut up, Buzzy.
you're gonna make me drop it.
Oh, yes. Well, here's what I say about them. The little ones are very tasty, but the chocolate fudge flavor, frosted chocolate fudge, it ain't as good as the cinnamon ones we had a couple days ago.
I take it back.
What?
But I don't know. It sort of is good because it sort of tastes like a fudge on the inside.
I think I like the other ones. I didn't try the other ones, but these are good.
I just don't know which one is better.
I didn't try them either, but these ones are good. Well, the frozen ones are good. Now let's try ones that aren't frozen.
Can you cook these?
Okay, so here. Okay, so we got our unfrozen ones, and we're gonna see if they're better than the frozen ones. Okay, let's eat.
Yeah.
They're better.
No.
They are better.
No, they aren't.
Don't think they're better, Buzzy?
No.
I think the ones that aren't frozen are a lot better than the frozen.
No, they aren't, Wally.
Well, I would say they're a lot better. And I would say I like the frozen ones.
Yeah, me too, frozen.
So it's 2 against 2. Me and Ericy like the unfrozen ones, and you and Bonnie like the frozen ones.
Yeah.
Well, there we have it, folks. Well, let's eat them.
No way. Yum.
Hey, those Buzz's beep car. What are you doing?
Oh, Sarah.
So everyone, we are now going to go heat these ones that were not frozen in the microwave. Let's go.
What? Ericy. Oh no!
Help me!
Ericy.
Okay, so they are cooking. I got myself out of the microwave so I wouldn't melt.
We could do a countdown.
Oh yeah. 31, 40,
30,
all that jazz.
29,
Yeah.
10,
Where's
11.
Willie? Oh, here.
Well, then it
And
went
there's that
by.
guy. What do you have
Hi.
to say?
Hi, I have a Subway cookie, see?
Oh,
Can
nice.
you see? Yeah.
Well, you're messing up our video, so get out of here.
Okay. What?
Hi everyone, the storage is on the phone and we won't have enough time to make our video because of storage! Look! Ah!
Oh, we started fire!
Uh-oh.
Oh
Well, now you know not to do this.
no! Now for 40 seconds.
Boy, I don't think they're edible.
Let's not.
Look at the smoke coming out.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was a big problem, guys.
It stinks.
Okay, everyone, we know now, do not cook these in the microwave. Do not cook these things at all. They are a fire hazard.
So let's close the microwave.
No, you need to leave it open
What?
so it airs out.
Oh.
Well, we can't
Wow.
try them now, so we'll just, let's go back. Well, everyone, they were very good frozen, and they were very good plain, but do not cook them or your microwave.
Because I'll tell you what
and
happened.
oven and toaster will explode.
Yeah, because no, you can
Boom,
cook.
boom.
You could cook them in the toaster if they were bigger. Because if you cook any Pop-Tart in the
No, you
microwave,
can cook the big ones in the microwave.
No,
just
I-
the low ones don't go.
I think
guess.
I have cooked one before and it caught like fire.
Well, here's this toothpaste. Now that we've ate them all, we need to clean our teeth.
Hey, look what's on it!
Buzz.
Yay, Buzzy!
It's got a cool bottle. And all.
Yeah. Theo is what is it flavored?
Oh, I think bubble gum, the usual.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, it is.
Blue bubble.
Blue bubble gum.
Oh. Well, it's good, but I do have to say it's mighty hard to get off your teeth.
Well, there you go, everyone. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe, and remember, do not heat them in the microwave. Well, bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.